Ladies and gentlemen, I present you the everything knife. We got a corkscrew. Oh, great. Come on. Corkscrew. Nail filer. If I can get it out. Ow. Nail filer. Regular Phillips head screw. We got whatever this thing is. Ow. Oh, I can't get that. Okay. Okay. A bottle cap opener. Scissors. Whoops. Oh, no. Come on. And a flathead screwdriver. Where's the knife? Oh, here we go. And here, last but not least, the knife. There. Everything you need to know about the everything screwdriver.